Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be something a little bit different. I purchased a Customizers doll lot off of eBay and I think it's going to be an interesting one. There are lots of supplies and unique dolls that are mostly ready to be customized, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Starting off with this Ever After High doll, I unfortunately couldn't track down her name, so if anyone knows, please leave me a comment below. I'm not a huge fan of Ever After High faces, but regardless, I'm really happy to have her in my collection. She has a beautiful skin tone, and I do prefer the Ever After High bodies to the G1 Monster High. Next, I have EC Dawn Dancer, and she's in really great condition. EC is a pretty rare Monster High doll, and I think she's a deer. I love her cloven hooves. That's an awesome detail, and her skin tone is gorgeous. I don't believe there's any other MH or EAH dolls with her skin tone. There are a couple G3 dolls as well, Draculara and Laguna. I really like the proportions of Draculara's head to her body. I know it's not, but it almost looks like a shrunken head, especially when compared to Laguna. I didn't have G3 Laguna in my collection, so I'm glad to get her as well. This one was a surprise. I thought from the pictures that it was Elisabat or Draculara, but I'm pretty sure it's actually the Create a Monster vampire. They have some interesting features. They have pointy ears and a little pointy upturned nose, so I'm really looking forward to customizing this one. The next one is Haunted Claudine. I love their translucent skin, and I'm a big fan of Claudine's face sculpt, so this is another one I'm excited about. Iris is one of the dolls that caught my eye in the lot, no pun intended. Due to her being pretty rare and expensive, I've always felt guilty about customizing her, but I don't have to feel guilty about customizing this one. Her factory paint and hair have already been removed and she's ready to go. Since I'll have to adjust the body skin tone anyway to match, I doubt I'll keep her paired with this body. I don't have a lot of dolls with this skin tone, and I love the hand poses too. They're a little different from each other, which I think makes it look more realistic. Gilda Goldstag is definitely a favorite of mine. I'm a huge fan of their horns and the ears on the side. They're one that I really enjoyed customizing. And this body belongs to Ever After High's Cedar Wood. I think it'll be perfect for some sort of woodland fairy creature, and I'm pretty sure it'll be a close skin tone match with Claudine's head. There's a few spare heads in the box. This is one of those doll customizing things that taken out of context will sound horrible, but the one on the left is either Perry or Pearl, and I believe the head on the right is G2 Draculara. I think this white Claudine head is one of those knockoff Monster High dolls, and their body could work for Katrine and Spectra, but I think it's meant to be paired with this head. I'm really excited about both of these. I did not have a Honey Swamp in my collection, so very happy to finally have Honey. And I also didn't have Avia Trotter. Now, this is not Avia's body. They have a centaur body. I'm guessing this is Jane Boolittle's, but I think it's a great pairing and I love their outfit too. I especially love Avia's boots. They're cloven platform boots. Sadly, rerooted hair is my preference, so I won't be keeping this hair, but I do love the black and white on her, so I may stick with those colors, just rerooted. I'm also not sure if this notch was intentionally cut out of her eyebrow, but I think it'll make a cool scar. The interesting pairings continue. This is Jane Boolittle's head with Astra Nova's body in the light purple shade. I did not know that the skin tone would be a match, but I think they look great together, and I love Astra Nova's cute little alien hands. Last but most definitely not least is Kiyomi with a twist. I've never seen them with the skeletal arms and hands. If you have any information about this doll, please leave me a comment down below. I'm not sure if this Kiyomi was part of a different series from Mattel or if these arms belong to a different doll completely, but I don't know of a blue skeleton, so this one's a bit of a mystery to me. There was also tons of fabric in this lot. There's also hanks of some kind of synthetic hair in just about every shade under the sun. I've never heard of foil confetti before, but it's super pretty. There's soft pastels and Faber-Castell watercolor pencils. There's mica powder, which also looks to be completely unused, and a wide variety of colors. Arguably, the next most exciting thing behind the dolls, of course, is the shoes. There are a lot of Monster High shoes, but the thing I can't wait to dig into is the 3D printed shoes. I know for sure some, if not all of them, are from Lady Dynamite Creates shop. If you're not familiar with Lady Dynamite Creates, first of all, definitely go check out their YouTube channel. I'll leave a link below. But also, their Etsy shop has all kinds of goodies. I'm already the proud owner of their G3 shoes, but not their G1, so I'm super excited to get them in this box. Finally, it came with a full can of Mr. Super Clear UV Cut Flat, which I can never have too much of for doll face-ups, and also Vallejo's Acrylic Matte Varnish, which I think will be a great sealant for when I airbrush with acrylic paint. That wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you'd like to see more of this kind of thing from me in the future. If there's interest, I could make a video showing my full stash and maybe have a vote on which doll you'd like to see customized next. Just let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you did enjoy it, please give this video a like. It really helps out my channel. And also subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and until next time, take care.